gonna try and make this as painless as possible because it's been a little bit of a headache helping Nick with this whole process.
There it is! Look at it! Holy smokers!
Yeah, I know. So Nick finally uploaded.
I know, I'm sorry. I stopped myself. I already said. I even said. I said, Katie's sleeping. So happy I started recording.
Alright.
Very quietly. I thought my video down.
Nick uploaded his first video. The channel name is Home on the Range, and the video name is How to Get the Best Deal on a Used Truck. Now, for people that want to subscribe, here's how we're actually going to find the channel, because Nick doesn't know how to do it himself. We're going to delete this. Where is it? Oh, good. I made it easy. Now, instead of, you were going to click this little filter button, Nick.
Filter fish.
We're gonna click on channel for type, and you're
There it is.
way
Second from the top.
Oh, I was like, you're way down.
Nope.
We're gonna click on that. Everybody, click here. How come? I was like, how come we can't subscribe? I just realized we're logged in as you.
Because I am the owner. Look at that. That's
So, guys,
a freaking deal.
support my special brother.
See ya.
Yeah. All right. Well, with that, guys, we'll see you later.
Who am I? My name's Nick. I'm gonna be the founder of this channel. Welcome, guys, to Home on the Range. On the home front. I want to give you guys a true perspective as to what it actually looks like to do a DIY project. Because I'm just like you. I mean, I want it, but I also don't want to invest $2,000.
I'm just like you. I'm poor.
This is the generation I'm growing up with. A bunch of losers. Mark keeps telling me I got ripped off. I got a frickin' deal on this truck. I don't care what he says. 20 minutes down the road, this guy's like, Nick, whenever you're ready, I need you to pull over. I need something that really screams my name here. If this one doesn't scream my name, I don't know what else does.
Personality's a selling point. Most people could care less about our cars. Seems like a truck channel right now, Nick, just saying.
This is a channel of everything, so I never run out of content.
There you go.
What do you think?
You did good.
Good start?
Yeah.
Good start to the channel.
Yeah.
Zach, I just bought this truck so we could start a YouTube channel.